Hi there, welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. This is a quick version of how to change the radiator on a 1 Series BMW. I've got a longer video, have a look at the link up here for the going through step by step and explaining each bit as it goes. But I'm just going to give you an overall run here in what's involved. There is the top cover, this thing here, you got to take off a couple of bolts, lift that off. It just squeezes off the airbox. You've got to take the airbox off. Have a look, I've got a video here about how to change the air filter in a 1 Series. I'll show you how to do that. You've got to get these radiator hoses off, and that, again, look at the long video to know what's actually involved. There's one down there, and then we've just got a couple of screws here to get the fan cowl off. They're off. And then once we release some clips down there, this will come out. It's not a super hard job. The real hard bit is actually getting those fittings off here and here, and the oil cooler off down there, and then the fan cowl out, and then a couple more screws. They are right there to hold the radiator in place. That'll lean forward and come out, and then you replace it and put everything back in again. So that is the rough version. But for the actual step-by-step, how to get clips, how to get clamps and all the rest of it, have a look at that video I linked at the start. But that is it. Got a new radiator here. The same radiator goes in a 1 Series E87, and it goes in a 3 Series E90, and it also goes in an E1. It's the same part number, sorry, an X1. So it's the same radiator for all, and the removal is going to be pretty much the same. So there you go, there's the rough guts, quick one, but have a look at that other video to see step by step what's involved.